I thought today, guys, we were talking about something. I can't speak, ne? A Monday motivation here today. We were talking about association. It got a danger, a negative impact when. I give back association, I give back to associate and live on. Especially nowadays, because I'm not going to be long. I get to Bamutele next. Baba but I catch us since a quotillion to I get association can bring a negative impact, a positive impact. I keep marker. Why? Because I give work association ke sentse ke kenyeletse le mjolo. Di fake no mjolo sentse ke kentse mjolo ka re o ntho ke buang ka yona. Mjolo ka ofela ntho tsene ke di kentse tlare. Because you know why ke bua ka association, because ke bua ka ntho ke tsmang hore it re phela ka tlase ho yona. Now mesebetsing re associate le batho, high education re associate le batho, everywhere re associate le batho. In short re phela le batho kamanya matse bophelo ba rona bo around people, bo around batho. Le no ha re ke bua le nna tjena le thewetse le mesebetsing le thewetse le batho, it means re phela le batho. So every day bophelo ba rona bo re cause bo re force to associate ourselves le batho bao re leng pela bona. Now the problem ke nowadays we are kore ke bona ka Satan o busy ka maphelo a rona o re discourage. Kore ke kopa lo jwetsa nnete guys, Satan o busy yo ho tlisa discouragement ka tsela tshosa maphelo a rona. And discouragement yo Satan a yetsa wa tsa o itlisa jwang, o itlisa ka dintho tsohle tse re batlang o di etsa. Anything you try ang o yetsa, Satan o tlisa discouragement o yona. Kore o tlisa failure, o tlisa kore Satan o tlisa discouragement e tshosang. Ke tlo le jwetsa hore ntho e ke buang ka ona e kopana kae le association. A association today ke batla bua ka association, batho ba re associateang le bona mesebetsing, maphelong, even le mjolo ne le mjolo mona ke batla go bua ka ntho e. So but before ke tlo bua ka ntho ke batla re shebeng hore Satan o tlisa a lot of discouragement. Gore hona le batho bao now ba se ba pusha fela, but actually but ba khathetse. We are so much discouraged guys, very discouraged. Dintho tse ngata ore o try ho batla mosebetsi ha o thole, then le ba tryileng o thola mosebetsi o thola hore o thotse mosebetsi, yes, but ha wa sheba still you are working but there is no progress in your life wa bona. So there are a lot of things that tlisa discouragement tse ke feeling hore Satan ka re o re discourage purposely so wa bona. And then o thotse mosebetsi but you are working but there is no progress. Ba bang ba lona you can't even see hore tjhelete ya o e ya kae, o ya sebenza but there is no progress. Ha o yazi mali yakho. Ba bang ba lona Satan o le kenya dikolotong. Now ba bang ba lona you are trying to make sure that your family how eba right, lapa la ho le ba right, everything. Now and dintho tsena kaofela tse already trying guys ke tsena tse o Satana di lwantshang hore di ske tsa ba right. Yonke into esiyenzayo nje o Satan o ilwisa ngeng gore o ilwantsha hore iska ya ba ya yetsala. And the reason why Satana etsa hore dintho tsohle tse already planang di ske tsa etsala, it is because wa tseba fela hore when dintho tsena di sa etsale automatically they will discourage you. Di tlo tlisa that discouragement wena. Example, barutwa ba morena Jesu, when you read Luke chapter 5 verse number 4, Bible e re Jesu Kristo bona barutwa ba hae ba se ba tlwella ba se ba hlatswa matloa. And then Jesu Kristo a fihla ho bona or guys se tsang kwetseng ba ra ntate ska tlo re batla ntho e siko mona, because we tried for the whole night but we did not anything. I mean ha re catch anything wa bona. So come on someone, Satan o na leka o discourage the disciples sa morena Jesu hore ba feel or mar ditlhapi adio metsing, and already bana ba se ba le discouraged because morena Jesu kopana le bona e le hore ba se ba hlatswa dinete tsa bona ba yekile ba chaisa ntate ba rai. There is no such. So what I'm trying to say this morning, kore Satan o re leka o re discourage ka tsela e tshosang and o tlisa lot of discouragement in everything. Kore kana go tsene wa tseba o dule le one o shebe bophelo ba hao o shebe dintho o re wa shebe o re amara, you know, there is nothing a right kapa a ban right e ke try. So Satan o tlisa lot of discouragement, lots of discouragement, and batho ba bangata we are already discouraged wa bona. Batho ba bangata we are already discouraged wa bona. Le batho wetse no o thewetse fela, you are just pushing, but actually you don't want to see yourself there. Ha o sa batla ipona o le mosebetsing. Le ba trying the business, they are just trying. Everybody, I will say most of us, we are just trying, but there is nothing even right. Now, here is the biggest problem. Ha ke tla tabeng ya association ne mofuta wa batho ba re associate le bona ke hore re associate le batho se la le bala ke itse association e ke bang kona ke kenyeletse le mjolo le eng. Now ka mo madi babe ke bone into one hore re ba close to people who doesn't understand hore re feel jwang wa bona. Ke bona ka re pela batho ba sa understanding hore re feel jwang. Maybe le runa re pela batho ba re sa understanding hore ba feel jwang, but I think we need to understand this thing, guys. Nowadays le emong o atumelang pela batho. When you go close to a person, if o atumela pela motho, let's say you are a friend or you are a friend to that person, or you are a girlfriend or you are a boyfriend to that person, whatever, kapa you are just a colleague kapa the family. But we need to understand that ha re atumela maphelong a batho, ha re atumele maphelong a batho, re understand hore season e o re leng ho yona e tletse a lot of discouragement, in a lot of discouragement, so that re ske ra add discouragement to other people but already ba santse ba experience discouragement. You know, guys, what ba una le batho ba reng when ba atumela pela hao ha ba atumele when pela hao to help you hore o be betere kapa o ikutlwe o le strong kapa o ikutlwa, but re atumelwa ke batho o thole hore batho ba tlang bophelo bao ke batho ba o qetellang already o sontso o na le o sontso le discouraged, o sontso o le empty, o le miserable, o bo atumelwa ke motho ya o qetelang. Wa tsama matsatsing ana ke bona Satan e ka re le batho man o re tlisetsa batho kapa o risa kore o re tlisetsa batho ba re qetelang kapa rona o re etsa re maphelong a batho re lo ba qetela sio ba qebezela kore I don't know whether Satan o sana le batho ba hae kore ba ba sebedisang, because o thole you are trying to have a friendship but how do I say the same friendship yana ya o drain ya o qetela or I man let me have a try into the relationship o kene relationship yo o kopane le motho a o qetelle kore o thole re a qetellana ukuthi siya qebezelana nje kore o thole every kore ha o rutlisa motho bophelong ba o tlisa motho ya tlo qetellang already o sontso o le finished ngwana go ga o thole o fedile klaro, because honestly that's not, guys, what's about to understand re fedile, we are empty, we are dry kahari, we are empty, we are miserable, we are not okay nowadays. Seasoning everything right, man. We are in a season where we are not okay. Ne? We are dry, we are empty, we are facing a lot of challenges. Ne? Then ubotlisa motho pela hao, o tlisa motho bophelong bao, ada o bokopana le motho ya o qetelang. re kopana le batho ba re qetellang re kopana le batho bao is either rona re ba qetella. So that is why ke batlang hore this Monday, guys, it's very important or when re tlisa batho re associate le batho, we need to be careful hore ke mofuto jwang wa batho re ba tlisa pela hao ke batho ba jwang, you know, because let me make an example ne re na le batho bana bao let me make an example, guys. It's just an example. It's an example if Obama example ne so let me make an example ka Red Bull ne now if ke hula Red Bull so Castrol ne the problem kore nna motho ya hulang ne mosebetsi wa ka ko ntho a ke tse ho hula ke eng ka English is to hul English lo how hula nxa o tsala yo nge English into is to hul you hul you hul ni tethan na ke le bua you hul you English ai ke ba zona ko paretlo le ntaba English ke kopa o qete because ke batla na nka na go teneng o bona ke kopa etsa so ke kopa etsa so okay. Now here's the thing. Obana if kid. Now if namutia ya ntsenga hula if ha ke kgone ho utlwa hore tin e empty e tlaba ke cruel if I can't hear or ntwena iseli empty e tlaba ke cruel in short ke batla hore it's very important hore ha re le pela batho kapa batho ba le pela rona we must be able to read or mar this person on a serious note empty this person right this person emotionally, spiritually, mentally, right. We need to read when batubali empty, kapabasi right. We need to read. Kapo madimabe, we remove foot about who cannot read. Aruho nu about wasi right. Aruho nu batubali empty. Aruho nu batubali miserable. Aruho. Next, le batubaru bakisa mapilonga runa. Haba nu ukarum. Maro November u empty kapa November wa go wisha aba khoni total, you know. Now by fitla ba etsa ba o qetela ba re qetela ke ithutile something gore matsatsingana Satan ka re sebedisa guys a hape ka re sebedisa batho o runa. That is why ke ne ke association is very dangerous. It's either e ka tlisa a positive impact kapa a negative impact. So I will say guys, you know, nowadays because Lena, I'm also feeling the same thing. Lena, I also feeling the same thing. Kuta njeke sina energy. Akena energy yani engata enenkina luan. Pele nekina li energy, neki tshaba di crusade, neki yata everything, neki ya all over. Nekinga di tracker taka kitama kilo rera kitama. I had a lot of energy. ya o etsa dintho ne ke pusha ne ke ya Joburg 5 times ka bike kapa 3 times a week ka bike I had a lot of energy, but now as we speak I need to ba tlo bua maka I tsana yona that energy go tlo nje ka ke sena energy yani eneng ke na le yona pele. So now it's ho bohlokwa to protect ourselves. We protect well. Protect yourself ntom batho ba o qetelang. Protect yourself. Know how to protect yourself, because kabo madimabe abanye abantu guys bazeze empilweni zethu bazosigqibezela nje batlo qetela nje already so ntoli miserable. If you are in a relationship draining more weak, have a way of protecting yourself. If you are in a marriage, if you are in a family, have a way ya ho protect away now. Because you know guys, it's very important to understand what's about everything can happen around you. But as long when until strong, you can still survive again. Ne? Some people, they want to go down with you in need. Now, you know, guys, I can tell Obama, whatever can happen in your life, you can be financial, you can have a financial problem, you can have the divorce, everything. That is not a big deal. But in Mutotanzing, abe safe is you. Because when you are safe, when unto pillar, when unto the right, when unto the energy, when unto the strength, when untonally buhoni, you can recover again. So that is why mutia something abe protected. It's you. You need to be protected so that you must not lose yourself. Oscar loser when you can lose everything, you can lose whatever you can lose. I remember when I divorced in my first marriage, I divorced everything. Dula one room. Dula somewhere, kara one room. Because you know what I did? I lost everything, but I did not lose myself. I did not lose myself. I lost everything, but I did not lose myself. And because I had to protect myself so that because if we're now kafela, everything you recover, you will lose them. How shall we recover total? Everything you will lose them. Because example, I lost everything. Karodula one room, kapila one room for a long time. But because I did not lose myself, I did not lose myself. Now, I must recover. Here I am. Everything that I lose, it. Triple. You know why? Because I did not lose myself. Yes, I lost everything. I lose everything. My first ex-wife didn't everything. One room, kill one. Why? Because I was protecting myself. So, guys, already on a serious note, I think we are in a season whereby we are so discouraged. Dintotaruna dia sukudisa, bopelo baruna bar sukudisa, dintotaruna dia hanau kopan. But please, guys, be careful as opila man. Even if you are married, be careful or nyetsu ke monna ya jwang ya qetelang kapa at least ya o thusa ngore o recover kapa wa ya qebezela nje. Because one of the things ke thutileng le manyalo hona le batho ba phelang le batho ba wrong. O fumana ba o chatile o phela no mnto wrong, o phela le monna ya wrong. This person wa o drain nje mosebetsi wa monna yona ko drain kapa mosebetsi wa mosadi yona ko drain re a drainana nje ntho e ke ithutileng yona guys nowadays e ka re Satan o re etsa gore batho ba re qetelle se a drainana nje re a drainana already re sentse re le drained because the reality of the truth everything you're trying to kopanya e sa kopaneng ya re drain when you try life o try dinto o try bophelo dinto di ana kopana you end up being miserable or bad drain because when you try dinto this are kopana they will affect the emotional when you try the business this are kopana they will affect the emotional when you try to build your life these are kopani dinto tsa emotionally so dinto tsena they will affect now you can imagine already una living to things do affect somewhere somehow then o phela le monna ke yona monna wa o trainer kapa mosadi wa o trainer re a trainana le di relationship is the same thing re a trainana nje kore there is nothing a better o re etsang re a trainana so I want to say this Monday motivation or guys let's try to protect ourselves protect yourself I get it but try to protect yourself especially lona ba ka ramanyalo I don't know le tloetsa jwang if uphila le monna ya o drainang a ke tsebe le tloetsa jwang because I cannot say divorce monna wa kapa mosadi wa but have a way of protecting yourself but guys because if you can lose yourself you are not going to recover you know let me make an example ka Samson when ba Philista ba tshwara Samson ba tshwere Samson ba mkhupa meg ba mo ntsha mahlo banka morruae banka le matla hae bankile dintho tse 3 tsa Samson bankile matla a hae banka morrua hae ha ba tswetile banka mahlo hae ba khupa meghe wake ba thatana mandla wake bankile dintho tsena tse 3 but you know but because they took those things but they did not took Samson bankile dintho tseno mara ha banka Samson they destroyed everything but they did not destroy Samson and good guys but destroyed everything and then but the mistake ya ba Philista ba sia Samson antsa right hence the same Samson we phumane asa recovery because one day Bible Samson a renta te modimo ke ikupa mphe a second chance modimo a fa Samson another a power a mo fa matla a mo fa moriri o mo modimo a tlisa restoration because Samson o nantsa le teng Samson ha ka lose Samson but he was there so restoration ila ona honka who manifest easy because Samson was there so but Philista they took everything but they did not take Samson ona le teng so luena make sure that you are protecting yourself protectable don't be destroyed to as much dintho tsa hao di ntse di fela dintho tsa di usukudisa dintho tsa di zikusokolisa into tsa but make sure that you are protecting yourself and batlandi tsela tsohle guys it's our protector wena so that o ska lose wena don't lose yourself you can lose whatever so you lose you can lose everything you can lose your marriage you can lose your relationship you can lose everything but please don't lose yourself because at least when you can recover. You can recover, you can recover again. I saw it, Samson. I saw the life of Samson. Samson a recover after everything, but Philista bankile everything. Again, Job a recover. Satana kile everything ya Job. But you know what I like? When Satana fika bopilomba Job, Liana Satan, he took everything ya Job. But he did not take the bopiloba job. It's a mistake again. Yautwela job, but anga everything ya job. But come ranako, there was a restoration bopiloba job because job onanza lite. So please guys, let us avoid batubari trainer. Let us avoid batubari etam. Let us avoid batubari bulayam. Bayetangur ufengo, bau bulayam, bau etelam. Because sinabantu aba file yo marba pila na lebatu baswile marba ya pil. o thole wa phela mara you are dead o shwele hona le batho ba shweleng shi and tlo go jwetsa ba bolawe ke batho ha ke bui ka batho ba ka Ramabitla I'm talking about ba feeling but ke bua ka batho ba phelang gore batho thole o shwele you know when o shwele gore o lose interest there everything when you are dead u lose everything how sa yetsa nix hona le batho ba sa hlole ba yetsa nix kwa bantu abangasenzi nix but how, if u fihlile stage in same sa hore how sa batla o yetsa nix it means you are dead u feel now the same way abantu abasemangcwabeni batho aka Ramabitla bashwile they are doing nothing bashwile so if you are dead uzobona njalo nxa ufile utobona njalo ga usoshwile ka hore ha o sa yetsa nix le dintho tse simple ha o sa batla o di etsa le dintho tse minor things ha o sa batla o di etsa so ke a le kopa guys avoidang batho ba le qetelang don't allow your life to be around people about qetelang about qebezelayo about destroying already because already guys re na le di issues tse re drainer tse re affectang so this morning guys ke a le kopa make sure that you protecting yourself ka ditsela tsohle o bona nna hona jwang batho ba rata somebody unampotsa Marnovi but o sukulang honyala mara why do you struggle honyala wa bona ke jotsa dispetsele ke nna ona jwa se ke considera dintho tse ngata haholo example you know I know this thing maybe don't make sense holona guys but hona it's a lot of sense what's man now se ke mamela le reasoning capacity ya motho when muta reason because reasoning capacity ya motho e gona o bolela when this person le ka ba le issue le tlo gona we resolve kapa e tlo le hlola reasoning capacity ya motho it also helps you as a person to understand or okay if I commit myself le motho ena then raba le di issues re tlo gona di solve na because you know hona le batho ba sa kgone go solve the problem yes guys hona le batho ba seng good ka solve the problem o thole problem e lekala is solvang in 5 minutes e ka linka 5 hours hona le batho ba sa kgone go solve a problem o thole a minor problem in linka a minor problem elinka imini yonke elinka letsatsi do you know that hona le batho banka the whole day ka a small problem hona le batho bankang a week ba sokolo ukulungisana the problem one banke a week ka a small problem not because there is no solution for the problem but because of the ingqondo yabantu the way ba operating ka teng so those relationships the relationship tsela tse o le sokolang ho dilana le di problem manyalo a o le sokolang ho dilana le problem the friendship tse o thola you are in a a friendship but when le na le di problem ha le gone ho di solve the problem tsa lona you must be careful for those relationship you must be careful for those friendship you must be careful for because those are the things drainang the argument the frustration the misunderstanding everything those are the things guys say destroy my about to say drainang example the last example go and read the Bible ire hotem atuba kumana na Bible hotem negita kubakum kana kwetelele man negita kubakum kana kwetelele today hotem ntwedrenileng Samson what's baki ntwedrenileng Samson you won't believe Samson o drainwe ke dipolelo tsa Delila o bale Judges Judges chapter 16 verse ke kopa ke shebe ka speed ba Ahludi 16 16 Oh, guys, utlanti mana yena. Yo. Hey. Hi, guys. Utlanti mana yena. Utlan, iri. Shasses, guys. Ntenze kibaka yona. Iri verse, kitwe balaka sutuna. Iri, Delila aru yena. Ukabulela jwang urwantata. Atipilu ya hao haiyo hunna. Bona, isali, okay, arikwele insinyeta nako. Kikupa Reum 16 straight. Chapter 16, Judges chapter 16 verse 16. Iberi, Yari haanze amutswenya kadipulelo tsahai. Delila hanza atswenya Samsoni kadipulelo. Emkataza ngentetho. Iri, yari hanze amutswenya kadipulelo tsahai. Kama tsatsi ohle. Anze amuhlodiya. Pelo ya Samsoni. Ya khatala le huisa lifung. Pelo ya Samsoni. Ya khatala huisa lifung. Guys. Delila hanze abua le Samsoni. Delila, he was training Samsoni. Mudim wa Israel. Samsoni was not aware or the pulelo is into some Delila teta yokuye. Diamo drainer. Samsoni was not aware. Bible, guys, this thing is very powerful. Delila what una opel abua le Samsoni every time. Bible until piluya Samsoni ikhatala. Judges chapter, yes, thank you, Stand Sam. Judges chapter 16 verse 16. Guys, uka Bible iri yarhanze amutswenya kadipulelo. Amutswenya kadipulelo. Kadipulelo. It means, guys, dipulelo into yokuthetha ntho ya ubua, ntho ya ulwana, ntho ya ajua, ntho ya argument, it will drain you. Delila uqedile Samsoni just ka ubua. Akhathatsa Samsoni akhatala. So I was not lying hakere. Guys, we need to be careful ka the association. Ujola lima, u drain ha. Guys, leave clean. So I'm done. Be careful. Uratana lima, ujola mabang. Lidilana li in every day. Lidilana li in every day. Opila lebo ma. Musebeti ubua lebo ma. Now guys, most of my time, ki ratata maleba twadi baika. Ki ratata malebo Schofield, bo khalele tambo ma, bo lindi lebo ma. I spend a lot of time yakamo. Lino kitweletu ya Lesotho ka di Saturday because I want to have my own time. Because every Saturday the channel are ki Lesotho. I want to have my own time. Ke batla tsamaya le batho ba re tsheyang ba re enjoy your life kube mnandi man wa tsaba motho ko le ba le ka di problem. I cannot ke be ka ra di relationship in right now I was saying somebody nampotsa hore Novi mara wa yo sokola ke ne ke mo jwetsa ke re nowadays ke mamela le reasoning capacity ya motho ndia mamela motho theta nja ke mamela le motho re bua jwang ha re qoqa reasoning or reasona jwang. Because when I'm about to buy in the the Kukwa is dome or dome jan, dome cop of the dome SL, of the dome of Vurpa, Kukabantabas zip banga, and most ya ditlaka izibhanqa othi xa uthetha naye uthola hore o create a statement tse ding le bua yena o tla ka yenngwe anigqibi every time a le bua yena o tla ka yentsha xa nigqiba uthetha nale uthetha uza ngento entsha hona le batho ba o tlang ka dintho tse ntjha every time rena le batho ba sa tsebeng nix ba tlang ka dintho tse ntjha gore o thole hore ha le kgone ho solve the problem nix I will never live that life. So guys, protect yourself and stay blessed. God bless you. Protect yourself. Make sure that you protect yourself or